How does Hydra facial dermabrasion work? Hydra facial dermabrasion is a non-invasive, multi-step facial treatment designed to cleanse, exfoliate, extract impurities, and hydrate your skin. Here's how it works. Cleansing and exfoliation. A specialized wand removes dead skin cells and impurities while applying a gentle exfoliating serum. Acid peel. A mild mix of salicylic and glycolic acids loosens debris in your pores without causing irritation. Extraction. A painless suction device removes blackheads and other impurities from your pores. Hydration. Hydrating serums containing hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants are infused into your skin. Antioxidant protection. The final step infuses antioxidants and peptides to protect and rejuvenate your skin. Benefits include immediate results, no irritation, no downtime, and suitability for all skin types. For best results, consider getting a Hydra facial once a month. If you found this helpful, remember to like and follow for more skincare tips.